What's up, everybody? This is Jeremy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool application. It's a cheap application, doesn't cost very much, and it's very useful. This is an application used to store your other applications, and I guess this application as well. You can store your registration information, files associated with that. Like if a lot of companies, instead of actually sending you a code through the email, they will send you an actual file with your registration information on it. You can actually attach that and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you this real quick. It's called myApps. There we go. I'll go ahead and show you the menu bar first. About, this tells you the version, stuff like that. Here's where you will enter your registration information once you receive that. You can visit the website, you can provide feedback, bugs, feature requests, stuff like that. You can check for updates right here, preferences here. You can have it enable autosave, which will automatically save when you enter your stuff. You can have it automatically enter your name and email, that information automatically if you always put the same thing when you register stuff. Mine, sometimes I just put my first name, sometimes it's first and last, so I don't really fill this in, which I guess I could go ahead and do this, and because the email is always the same. You can have custom database files, locations, like if you save your stuff to Dropbox or something like that. You can password protect this. It's 256-bit encryption. You can have it protect files. You can validate your password here. Have it check automatically for updates, which I always recommend because anytime there's a new update, it's usually going to fix some kind of security or bug or something like that. So it's always going to make the application better. So I definitely recommend always having the most upgraded version of any application. File, you can add a new application here, you can delete, or you can import. You can close the application, you can reopen Windows, you can export all of your stuff here. There's different file types you can export your library as. You can back up and restore your entire database here, so I would definitely recommend backing that up every once in a while. Edit is the basic edit menu. View, you can switch between tabs, you can switch between applications, files. Quick look, this is, if you actually watch, I'll show you where this goes later. You can open up like the, it'll show you like the zip file of your registration information like I talked about earlier. You can hide the toolbar, which is this part up here at the very top with the import and add and all of that, and search. You can customize it, you can use smaller icons, you can remove icons, add icons, stuff like that. Window is the basic edit menu, or window menu, excuse me. You've got a help here, you've got the manual here. You can provide feedback from here if you would rather do that than from the other place. You can enter your registration here, and you can reload all icons here. So I'll actually go ahead and get into this real quick for you guys. I have to show this. I have to be careful about the way I show this because most of these I've actually got my actual registration information already entered. Then because I needed to go ahead and add a few, that way I could do the video, but I need to actually hide that, so need to be careful how I do this. I'll start over here on, you can keep notes, files. I already almost messed up. I almost went and clicked on something I shouldn't have. But it shows you the application here and the developer. Then you can have notes about it, like what the application's for. If you've not used it in a long time, you can keep this and it'll actually show it. You can go down here and export, stuff like that. You've got files associated with it, which I will show you. This one right here, I think, has that. No, XSlimmer. They didn't actually send me a code through the email, so that they actually sent me the zip file that contains my information. So you just click and you can drag that here. You can do a quick look and it will actually show you, it's a zip file, the size of the file, when it was last modified. You can actually reveal in Finder where that file is, and you can add files, remove files, you can open with Finder, quick look, all that good stuff. Your purchase gives, you can put the purchase date, the price, the provider, the order ID number in case you need to return that or you have a problem or something. The website support, like if there's forums or like a contact for support, you can put that URL here so you don't have to search the entire website. Download, if you need to re-download the file, and a comment you can do here. Entry, this is where you'll put the application name, the name of the developer, the version number, then your three, probably most important of all, which is your name, email, and code, in case you need that later on. You can like highlight this up here and click copy, and it will actually, which you don't do it for this, but like you can go down here and copy this stuff, or you can copy it from here. If it's bound to a certain machine, you can click this, you put what machine, the machine ID number, stuff like that. Can't really show you guys much more than that because, like I said, all my information is in here. This is definitely handy to have this instead of trying to keep up with, because I don't know about you guys, but I've got different folders from my email, but I do misplace emails. Actually, I've got a license now I've got to email a company about because I lost the email. So this is a much easier way to keep up with all that information. You can keep it backed up and then restore it anytime if something happens to your machine or something like that. Definitely recommend this application. You can download it for free. I'm not sure how long the trial is or what the limits are on it, but it's fully usable for at least a limited amount of time. So definitely check this out. Let me know what you guys think, and if you know of any other applications like this, let me know. Thanks.